Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the Soft Glam Valentine's Day makeup look. And I already did my foundation and my brows, so I'm going in with the Sweet Peach palette. And I'm just putting the shade Georgia all over my lid. For my outer corner, I'm going in with the shade Puree, and it's just a warm chocolatey brown color. And I'm just darkening up my outer corner with that, and also blending that out into my crease. And it just kind of helps give it some more definition. Now for my lid, I'm just going to go in with Just Peachy, and I'm just packing that all over onto my lid. And I find it easier to use my finger because I feel like it just looks more pigmented when I use my finger. So yeah, I'm just packing that onto my lid. Then for my inner corner, I'm just taking the shade Luscious, and it's just a really kind of champagne-y color, and it's just really pretty and shimmery, and I'm just putting that in my inner corner. Then for my lower lash line, I'm just using Puree and just smoking that out a little bit. Then for a liner, I'm just using the Stay Put Matte 17-hour wear liquid liner from Milani, and I'm making a wing. For mascara, I'm going in with Maybelline Lash Sensational, and it's my favorite drugstore mascara. I use this stuff all the time. It just doesn't make my eyelashes clump together like other ones do. I just feel like it's really good, especially for drugstore. Now for the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Park Ave Princess bronzing palette. I love this palette, it's so good, but I'm taking the shade Princess Cut and Angle. I like to mix those two together. I just feel like it's the perfect shade for me. And I'm just kind of applying this to the outer of my face and then my cheekbones just to give myself some more definition because I don't want to look flat. Now I'm just doing a little bit of nose contouring with the shade Princess Cut. For blush, I'm going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Dazzled, and I love this stuff and I love this color. I use this blush a lot, but I'm putting on quite a bit today because I don't know, I just want to look really blushy, I guess, because it's a Valentine's Day look. So I think it just looks cute with the pink cheeks and the nose and a little bit on my chin. That's just kind of what I'm going for in this look today. So yeah, I just kind of apply quite a bit of that onto my face. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm using the shade Bubbly, and I'm just applying a generous amount to my nose, cupid's bow, my cheekbones, my outer forehead, because I want this look to be really pinky, blushy, and very glowy. That's just what I'm going for. And then for my lips, I'm applying this Bare Minerals hydrating lip balm. It's tinted, and it's in the shade Crave. And then for my setting spray, I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter and just spraying that. And then yeah, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.